Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video and also subscribe to the channel. Now trackies, Jamaica stays winning. I'm talking about whether it's dominating the Diamond League or even a World Continental Tour trackies, we stay winning. Now this time around, I'm going to be talking about the meeting Città di Pravoda that took place over the weekend on Sunday. Now, kicking things off, I'm going to start with the women's 100 meters. And we had two entrants in this lineup. We had Natasha Morrison, silver medalist in the women's 4x100 meters at the recently concluded World Championships in Budapest. And we also had Briana Williams, who also incidentally is also a silver medalist from the recently concluded World Championships in Budapest over the same distance. Yes, the 4x100 meters. Now, both of them lined up in this field, and Natasha Morrison walked away with the win. She ran 11.15 seconds to take the win. In second place was Tonisha Tuere from the United States. She ran 11.21 seconds to take second, and Briana Williams ran 11.39 seconds for third place. Now, trackies, I'm not gonna lie, I love what I'm seeing from Natasha Morrison. She's definitely exuding confidence and what seems to me burning desire. Now, off the back of her performance at the World Championship, she's definitely come out and said, listen, I can contend with the best. I deserve to be here. Now, we did see her in Zurich and she took the second place there, facing off against the best in the world. We're talking about the world champion, the double Olympic champion, and she took second there, trackies, running 11 seconds flat behind the world champion this year. Now, trackies, in this race, she walked away with the win, proving that, she can win as well. I'm hoping that on the back of these performances and the confidence that I'm seeing from Natasha Morrison, she can definitely head into 2024 and build on these performances from 2023. Now, as it relates to Briana Williams, this is her first 100-meter race in over a month, trackies. So she's literally just shaking off the cobwebs here, and she ran 11.39 seconds to take this third place. Definitely she can build on this throughout the rest of this 2023 season, and of course use this as a launching pad into 2024.
I 100 metri al femminile, ottimo l'avvio in corsia 3 Natasha Morrison, la giamaicana al comando, prova a rinvenire Tanisha Terry, Morrison va a vincere, 11-16, buon crono per Natasha Morrison in questa fase di stagione, che va appunto a precedere la campionessa del mondo in Briana Williams, con Natasha Morrison che in carriera vanta anche il titolo olimpico nella 4x100 di Tokyo, da corso la batteria.
Now, moving on to some more results, we're going to talk about the women's 100-meter hurdles. Yes, and this is also an event that I'm very excited about, especially when I think about 2024 for Jamaica. Now, this breakout athlete, Amoi Brown for Jamaica, has been doing her thing this season, running PB after PB. Steve Francis himself said, look out for her, and trackies, she did not disappoint. Now, Amoi Brown walked away with the win here in the women's 100-meter hurdles. She ran 12.83 seconds to take that win. Now, behind her was Toth Anna from Hungary, and she ran 13.20 seconds to take second. And we had Fukebi Mako from Japan. She ran 13.25 seconds to take that third place.
Carmassi, Fukube, Carraro, Brown, Toth, Besana, Plotizina ed Emini. Brown al comando, bene Carmassi con Fukube, bene anche Toth, ma è Carraro che però potrebbe aver perso la quarta posizione per millesimi alle spalle di Carmassi, che l'aveva preceduta sempre per millesimi anche nella finale di campionato italiano assoluto a Molfetta. Grazie alla regia, ricordo che siamo su Atletica Italiana TV.
Now moving on to the men's 100 meters. In this race, we had Michael Campbell. Taking the win from the United States was Kyrie King. He ran 10.27 seconds. And in second place was Michael Campbell. He ran 10.28 seconds. And in third place was Aaron Brown from Canada. He ran 10.31 seconds. Now, this was clearly a very close race, trackies. And Michael Campbell just lost it by 1/100th of a second to Kyrie King. But as it relates to Michael Campbell, Trackies, I've always told you I accept his performances because I know his history as it relates to that near-death experience. So every time he runs, I appreciate the fact that he has lived to see another day and, of course, can still execute a 100-meter race on the track.
I 100 metri del meeting internazionale Città di Padova con il grande abito Michael Campbell, atleta giamaicano in corsia 3. Michael Campbell ancora al comando. L'azione finale, appunto, la parte finale di questi 100 metri. Qua Michael Campbell era ancora al comando ed è Kyrie King.
Now moving on, Trackies, to the men's long jump. We had Tajay Gale here. Boy, Trackies, Tajay Gale placed second in Zurich and he came here and placed second again. Now taking the win was Tom Campaign from France. He jumped 8.09 meters. In second place, as I said, was Tajay Gale. He jumped 8 meters. And in third place was Reese Ademola from Ireland. He jumped 7.97 meters to take that third place. Now, Trackies, I'm going to jump back over to the Bellinoza Gala de Castilla meeting to complete the results from yesterday. Now, we had Cecily Forbes turn up in the women's 200 meters. She's also, Trackies, a silver medalist in the women's 4x100 meters at the recently concluded World Championships. Now, here, though, she lined up against Tamara Clark, and Tamara Clark walked away with the win from the United States. She ran 22.64 seconds to take that first place. Now in second, though, Cecily Forbes, not to be outdone, ran 22.74 seconds for a season's best in this event. And in third place, we had Dalia Kadari from Italy. She ran 22.86 seconds to take third place. Now, Trackies, moving on to the men's discus, we had Fredrick Daker's lineup here against some big throws. We're talking about Daniel Stahl and Christian Che. Now, taking the win from Sweden was Daniel Stahl. He threw 67.24 meters to take that win. Christian Che from Slovenia, he threw 67.15 meters to take second. And Fredrick Dakers from Jamaica threw 66.19 meters to take third place. Now, Trackies, that is it as it relates to the latest updates from our athletes performing in Europe. And as I said, we have been winning. So whether it is the Diamond League or whether it is a continental tour, Trackies, when you look at the overall performances, Jamaica comes out top in terms of wins. So if you want to stay mad, please go ahead and do so. Now, with that said, Trackies, as I said, sound off in the comment section, like the video, and of course, subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.